Alright. Well, my channel is still finding itself out, so I'm trying new styles. So we'll go POV today. Hi B. Right. Here's what I want to do. So last time I tried to clean and wax my chain, but it didn't work out as I expected. So I bought this out of Amazon. It's called Grand Pitstop. It costs around $20, and this will be great because I don't have a center stand, so there's no way of me for me to lift the tire up so that I can, clean the chain and wax it up. But with this thing, it will be easy peasy. But first, I wanna warm up the chain, ride a little bit, and then come back and do things while it's hot. All right, let's go. Good. Now that it's warmer, I think it will be easier to apply the wax here. Alright, let's give this guy a shot. According to the box, it's saying that lifting up the rear, then this goes like this underneath. Alright, let's do it. Are we on? I believe we are. Would you look at that? Nice. Now I can do this. Perfect. Now how do we use this? Let's previously clean the chain. I can call my chain clean. I'm too lazy to clean it again, and we only ride like one time. Okay. Let's see. Oh, and it's hard to squeeze. Is there such thing called too much grease? What I like about this is it doesn't want to go everywhere like they apply those spray wax, but it may attract more dirt too, so I didn't consider that. I don't know what it's looking like, but I assume it's good. Now we need to do an oil change. Let's see if I can take it over. There you go, that's our drain plug. I'll pull a tray under it and then empty it. So for my bike, drain plug wrench is T50. Hot. Yeah, man. I got myself covered in oil. Now let's wait for it to drain while I clean myself up. I think it's fairly empty now. Let's close her up. Hand tightened most of the way. Now let's remove the filter out. I'm using this oil filter wrench. It fits pretty snug. Oh no. Oh, you're probably crying out there. You should have left the drain plug. So oil can leak. Yeah, so don't be like me, don't rush it out. Alright, our fresh oil filter. Lube it up a little bit. I believe it doesn't need to be overly tightened. it's not going anywhere. That's good. I recycle that oil later. We gotta fill it. Yep, with oil. Here we go. We gotta go all the way to the medium. It's using 3-liter oil. That's to the manufacturer's spec, so it should be good. 5W40. I wonder if I can use car oil. It's still an engine. Would it matter? Of course it matters. Motorcycle engines are different, you idiot. Or you could say like, engine is an engine. Only the viscosity matters. Just let me know. Let your rookie mechanic learn these stuff. I'm known for my clumsiness. Nothing seems to be leaking. That's a good start. Fresh oil. We didn't drain enough.
Nice bike.
Ah, thank you. Oh no, my lovely neighbor. Alright, now that you drink all of it, let's check our oil level. One thing's for sure, we're not gonna starve for oil, but I'm also a little bit afraid that I filled it too much. I'll wait for it to cool down and then check back. That's why there are professionals doing it, right? I don't know, guys. I hope I didn't ruin my bike. Well, there's one way to find out. I'm not paying $500 for an oil change. Did I do the perfect job? I don't know, but I think it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Will it? It'll be fine. Alright, the next step. Only dealers can reset the oil change on the new bikes, right? Wrong. There are other ways. Let me explain. But first, I gotta get rid of these gloves. Oh man, look at this. I'm all sweaty. So for this job I have my OBD Link MX, and new bikes has this OBD port down here. I'm just plugging it in, and I have this cheap Android phone. It should be able to connect to this OBD Link. Yep, there you go, we're connected. Now I'm going into instrument cluster combi reset service. Nice. Turn this into miles. Reset and work your magic, baby. Reset's done. Yay! All right, let's see our next service. 6,027 miles, and next year today. Awesome. All right, now that we did this, all right, thank you. This cost me like $50, and now that I'm using it second time, it's definitely worth it. I don't know if you can tell from my voice, I'm a little bit concerned because I may have overfilled while the drain plug was off. I was supposed to undo the filter that would allow more oil to drain, but I didn't do that because I'm stupid. Hopefully, now that it's a little bit cold, hopefully it's not above max. It's almost there. I'll consider this safe. Oil change done. We definitely made a mess on my recently cleaned wheel, but my chain is definitely lubed up. So there you go. That's it. It's all done. We're done until next year. There you go. 2023 F900XR oil change, chain lubed by an amateur stupid mechanic. There you go. If you want more stuff, more stupid stuff like this, stay tuned, I guess. Peace.